Unlock flexibility with daily stretching.
Flexibility is key to feeling agile and comfortable in your body. A structured stretching routine can reduce stiffness, prevent injury, and enhance your performance in everyday activities. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your mobility, an effective home plan fits any schedule and requires minimal equipment.
Choosing the right stretches.
A balanced routine targets all major muscle groups. Focus on dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings to warm up before activity. Afterwards, incorporate static stretches such as hamstring, hip flexor, shoulder, and calf stretches to gently lengthen muscles. Hold each for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply throughout.
Sample daily stretching routine.
A simple, effective plan might look like this. Start with neck rolls and shoulder shrugs. Move to cat-cow and child's pose for your back. Stretch your hip flexors and hamstrings on the floor. Finish with standing quad and calf stretches. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes each day, adjusting intensity as your flexibility improves.
Tips for safe and consistent progress.
Progress gradually to avoid overstretching. Warm up your body first and listen to your limits. Stretch only to the point of mild tension, not pain. Consistency matters more than intensity. Set a daily reminder and track your progress to stay motivated. Hydrate well and pair stretching with balanced movement throughout your day.
Benefits beyond flexibility.
Regular stretching isn't just about flexibility. It promotes better posture, reduces muscle soreness, and can even boost your mood. Over time, you may notice improved coordination and fewer aches from daily tasks. Enjoy the enhanced sense of well-being that comes from dedicating a few minutes each day to mindful movement.